Right, ladies and gents, yeah, we're back at the Mk3 Supra. Yeah, gonna attempt to do some work on her because, as you can see there, and if I pull one of these out, it's full of oil. All this, I would say, and then I need to remove that. And just need to remember where these pipes and stuff go. So that one goes along there, that one goes along there, that one there, that there, that goes there, that goes on there. Basically why I need to remember this is I'm going to remove this. These are ignition. Yeah, should hopefully be a relatively easy job, I hope. And you ask, why am I going to remove this? Because I need to do the rocker cover gasket on it. So yes, gonna be pretty fun. Not, but yeah, it's all a mess, but needs some love. Let's do it. Batteries on charge, because obviously we need to find out if we're gonna have fuel going through. I figured out that's the fuel pump relay there, so I may take it off the turbo one just to see if we can get her running. So I'm going to take this airbox off, but for now we're going to start removing some pipings. We do like that. Right, so we've undone all these bolts and whatnot here, so technically this should, oh yes, yes, excellent. Alright, need to take off the, what's it called, cruise control-y one. Lovely. How you doing, you alright? Huh? Yeah. Not running at the moment.
Yeah, like the old car.
And there we have one inlet manifold. Sorry, give me 1 second, my friend. Yeah, what do you say? You like old car?
Yeah, I like, man. I prefer them.
Right, now that's off, thankfully. I've got a bit more access to the rocker cover, and yeah, check this out. Oh, mint. Not disgusting. By the looks of it, it's literally just these few screws. So, but yeah, I need to clean this as well. And yeah, doesn't look like the easiest access around here, but it's just one of them things you got to deal with, right? Need to take out all these coil packs. Well, ideally I want new ignition leads put in here, and yes, so much. Right, look at that. That is one rocker cover gasket off, and it's completely filthy. Right, just to show you the difference, and this is me doing it for 2 seconds. Look at this. Dirty side, quick clean side. That's how we want it, and that's how we're gonna get it. Yeah? Just gotta deal with it bit by bit, and we'll get there. Let's just hope we get it running. Right, so anyways, enough about the cleaning at the moment. We'll do more of that. As you can see right now, I've numbered it up. 1. So, as you can see, both rocker covers are off. Where are they? They are right here. I've literally given them a quick clean. That's the old rocker cover gaskets there. New one's already in. But yes, what I need to do now is try cleaning inside there, because that is disgusting. And before I put it back in, it'll be rude not to give it a bit of a quick clean. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with that. Right, see that cover? Well, I've just taken off. That is from there. Look at the state of that. That's where the spark plugs live. I don't know how I'm going to attempt to clean that, but yeah, wow. That's not good. I'll try my best. Not the best of jobs, but do you know what? Compared to just a few minutes ago, is that not better or what? And yeah, don't forget, my objective is to see if I can get this running. So I'm not doing an engine rebuild or nothing. I'm just literally trying to get it started up. Right, as you can see, it's all pretty much together. So I'm going to try attempting to start it. Yeah, it didn't quite start up, but while I was looking, there's no fuel going into it, so it might be a fuel pump jobby out, and that means fuel tank down and out emissions. Other than that, please hit that like button. Do subscribe to my channel, it'll be much appreciated, and share, comment, and I don't know, just keep tuned, because I'm gonna, do you know what, the next video what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically do the bodywork and make it look a bit more fresh, than make it looking like a barn find and abandoned. So keep tuned on that one, ladies and gents. Next one is giving it a detail. Bless, love, thank you very much.